If you're already enrolled as a voter and you want to correct your entries in the electoral roll or update your address, get a duplicate voter card without any correction, or mark yourself as a person with disability voter, then this video is specifically for you to know the process. First of all, you should know Electoral Registration Officer is the custodian of electoral roll and responsible to prepare, update and revise the same. Usually an SDM, subdivisional magistrate or equivalent civil officer is designated as ERO by Election Commission of India. Another important functionary you should know about is BLO, Booth Level Officer, who plays a pivotal role in the process of electoral roll revision in the polling area assigned. BLO is usually a local government official, familiar with local electors and generally a voter in the same polling area who assists in updating the roll using local knowledge. You may also be aware about BLA, Booth Level Agent, who is appointed by recognized political parties for specific polling stations to bring up political participation at grassroots level in the preparation and revision of electoral roll. Booth level agent complements the booth level officer of the respective polling stations. You can get details about ERO, BLO and BLA from the website of Chief Electoral Officer of the state. In order to correct the entries in the electoral roll, you can visit official voter portal
www.ecinet.eci.gov.in
and fill Form 8 with all your details, upload your documents and submit the form. You will be given a reference number which can be used to track the status of the application. You can also download Form 8 from website, fill up the details and attach the documents and submit in person to the concerned electoral registration officer, or send by post or hand over to the booth level officer of polling area concerned. You should take an acknowledgement while submitting your application for future reference. A very important aspect is that you should complete all entries in declaration portion in all respects. Please note that giving any false statement made in the declaration portion is punishable offence under Section 31 of Representation of People Act 1950. You can contact your BLO or BLA for any assistance. In case your application is rejected to your dissatisfaction, you can file the first appeal before district magistrate and if required, second appeal before Chief Electoral Officer of your state. So friends, that's an easy guide for any correction in the entries in the electoral roll. If you have any questions, visit our website
www.ecinet.eci.gov.in or call the voter helpline number
1950.